Mauro, we got a little patch up there. What condition is it in? What are you saying?
Well, here during the construction, they replaced this whole ceiling. And when they demoed the old ceiling, some of the plaster on the walls got damaged.
Right.
The plaster guys came here and they fixed this section here, and they couldn't fix this because a couple of the woodlet got broken.
Okay.
I'm gonna fix them. We're gonna mud it and get ready for a new wallpaper. Ready for mud? Okay, we're gonna use this plaster repair. It dries faster than plaster and it's harder as plaster. So we're gonna do a little mix, and it's gonna take about an hour and a half for the first layer to dry.
So 45 minutes to an hour, this is going to set up way faster than regular plaster.
That's regular plaster. With the plaster, we're gonna have to wait about a week or two until it dries and cure it, and this one will do a much faster job, and it dries as harder as plaster. The secret here is get started with the mud at that consistency, like a peanut butter, and force the plaster into the gaps.
So this is the first coat of how many?
First of 3, and then the second one we're gonna make a little thinner mud, and the last one is gonna be a flexible mud.
And flexible, why do we like flexible?
We like flexible because that will keep the cracks from coming back. So.
Gotcha.
Okay, all set, last application done. It's gonna take about 1 to 3 hours to dry. It's gonna be ready for a light sanding and ready for the wallpaper.
Looks smooth as glass, Mauro. Nice job.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.